Hi everyone, Nick Smith here. Welcome to this Friday Tech Tip. We're going to talk about a topic of threshold increment. Now, when we do a luminance calculation, we calculate threshold increment. It's the measurement of glare. We have specific values that we need to achieve, which are detailed in EN 13201 Part 2. We have a little crib sheet here, which is shows us for an M6 that the TI needs to be 20 or less, and in this case we've got a TI of 14.15, so everything is green and that's all happy. When we do illuminance calculations, we have an alternative way of doing that, and that is we can tick the include TI option in the middle toolbar, and what that will do is it will then calculate threshold increment to make sure that a certain value is not exceeded. Now, again, if you look at the crib sheet that's within Lighting Reality, you will see there are values here for the C classes, and there are values here for the P classes. So for each of the appropriate classes, there is a different value. In this case, we've got a P4 class, so we've got a maximum TI of 30, we've got a value of 14.63, so again that is compliant. Now when you select the EN 13201 illuminance grid here, then the value that is in here becomes a dictating criteria, and if the value exceeds the value of 30, then that will fail the calculation at that point, so you'll get a series of X's, as it would be if illuminance failed, or if the minimum value failed. So when we select the BS5489 grid, if you're within the UK or you use that particular grid, it will calculate the threshold increment, but it is not a dictating criteria, so there is no requirement to achieve a certain value. In the next BS that comes out next year, we suggested that people might want to calculate that. I've always been of the opinion that why would you not want to know something about the installation you're about to put in, or the lantern you're about to put in? You can click the box, do the calculation, look at the value. If you're happy with it, then that may force you to go, or suggest to you that the luminaire that or the lens setting that you've used is maybe the right way to go, and there may be another lens setting that is a better solution. So anyway, do the calculation, consider what it is, and there is also a corresponding value for the C class. So if you calculate it to C5, then there is also a corresponding value for that as well. So that for each of the values, you can see there is a let me select the right grid, that is, then there is a corresponding TI value for that, and in this case it's 20. So when you optimize for that particular luminaire, in this case 19 meters for a C4, then if we went to a C5 and then optimize that, you would see that it's 26 meters, and we're still achieving the TI of less than that. Anyway, hope that is useful to you. If you have any questions, please drop us an email, support@lightingreality.com. Please follow us on Twitter @Lighting Reality, or follow us on LinkedIn, search for Lighting Reality. If you have any questions, please drop us an email. If you have topics you want us to cover, please message us below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if the video was useful, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.